Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Rashida here. So guys, in today's video I'm back with another beautiful apartment here for rent in Nakwero. Guys, these apartments are newly built and they are not very far from the main road. The apartments are in Nakwero, and Nakwero, that's Gayaza Road. I hope you enjoy this video. In case you want to rent on this apartment, you can leave a comment down below, then we shall be talking and I'll bring you here where the apartments are. Okay, let me show you the distance from the main road, the surrounding, then after we shall go inside and I show you the apartments. So that's what you see over there. Okay, let me show you the distance of the main road. They are not very far from the main road. So guys, what you see over there, have you seen the border? That's the main road. Yes, that is the main road. Then the apartments are here. So we are going to go and see and we have a look at this apartment. Before that, let me show you the surrounding or the neighborhood. The neighborhood is really nice, and I'm writing down there so you'll be my good neighbor, eh? So that's the neighborhood where the apartments are. So let us go inside and I show you what we have. So guys, this is what we have. Over here there is a house for the security or the scally or the security guard. Yeah, then they have, you see, solar lights in case electricity is off, you won't be in the dark. Then over this side there is national water over there, and these are the houses. Guys, the houses are really cute, trust me. So in case you want to rent, it's a 2-bedroom house. Yeah, they are 2 bedrooms, sitting room, living room, pantry, general bathroom, then the behind shed. Guys, trust me, I'm out of words because I'm from seeing the houses, and they are really cute. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 houses. Yeah, and they are so near the main road, as I've told you. Okay, let us go and we have a look at least in 1 or 2 of the houses. Guys, see this compound. The compound is really big. It can accommodate over 20 cars. Yeah, it's really big. They have enough parking. So this is the entrance. Yeah, the main entrance of all the houses. They have these burglars for security. Okay, so this is the first house we are going to see. Then after, we shall go and have a look at the other house. So in case you want to rent, I'm not a broker, so you won't be paying for the broker money. I'll just bring you here and you see the houses. Yeah, so okay, wait. So guys, this is the entrance. We have this door which is glass, as you can see. Yeah, then here the burglars for security. You see guys, a glass inside, then the burglars outside. Then as you enter like this, they are more burglars. So trust me, security wise, it's tight. Then as you enter like this, here it's the living room, guys. You see how big the living room is. It's the living room. This is the living room. Then you have that's for the TV. Then the house has this big window which can give you a very beautiful view. Let me show you that view, guys. Okay, sorry about that. See that view. So that's what you see when you stand here at the window. Then over here we have a second entrance which takes us to the balcony. Again, the security, the burglars here, as you can see. Then over this side, this is the porch. You see guys, it's so cute, unique. Then the view which I showed you, That's the view, the neighborhood. Yeah, guys, who wouldn't want to have this as his or her house? Okay, let me take you to the bedrooms. This is the living room. Then we have this thing, I think it's like a design, which takes us to the bedrooms. Yeah, so over this side, this is the master bedroom. Yeah, it has a toilet, which we are going to see later. It has 2 big windows, you see, guys, and it has a huge wardrobe or closet. Let me first show you what we have here in the wardrobes. The wardrobes are really, they have enough space. So we have that. Then over here, we have that. Then we have some drawers here. Yeah, we have the drawers down there. And we also have more storage over here. Then also the upper storage, guys. This house. Oh, it's really cute. Trust me. I think even the phone is not giving justice to it, but it's really cute. So we are in the master bedroom. Then over here, this is the master washroom. Sorry about that. Yeah, we have a toilet here, somewhere where you can put your tissue. Then the towels up there. Then they have a shower here, you see, with a shower here, a telephone shower here, then the upper shower where you put your soap. Then this one, they have a water heater over there. Then a sink over here, plus a big window. Then a mirror over there. Hi. So guys, this house is really cute. It's located in Nakwero, and that's on Gayaza Road. You see the sockets? They are unique sockets. Then this side, it takes us to the kids' bedroom. These are 2-bedroom apartments. So over here, we are entering the kids' bedroom with a huge window. Yeah. So this is the kids' bedroom, and the kids' bedroom has a moderate-sized wardrobe over there, just enough for the kids. Okay. So let me take you to the general bathroom. So this is the general bathroom. It's the same as the master bathroom. A sink over there, then a mirror, a shower, a window, the toilet, yeah, then heater, water heater. Yeah, this is it, guys. So who wouldn't want to be renting or to have this as his or her house? Then guys, over here, this is the kitchen, which I love. Wow, the kitchen is big, really big. They have a sink. Hey guys, water is on. Then it has a window over there. Then more storage in the kitchen. Again, more storage somewhere where you can put your either a fridge or your cooker. Yeah. Then again, more storage over here. You see, guys, storage. More storage here. And more storage. Also in the kitchen, it has a pantry. Yeah, this is a pantry. You see, guys, the pantry has a window, a small window. So guys, basically this is the kitchen, and this is how big the kitchen is. Then through the kitchen, there is this behind door. Again, the security, the burglar door. security is tight. Okay, so this is the behind shed or the behind porch here. And let me show you the back. This is the back of the houses. They have toilets there, the outside toilets. This is where you're supposed to hang your clothes, just the wires needed. So basically this is the behind of the apartments. Okay, again, more light, the solar lights. So we are going to go and see the second house. Guys, over here I'm going to take you through the second house. Here, as I've shown you the first house, this is the entrance. Yeah, the difference here, you enter through your balcony, although the other house you enter through there and the balcony is over the other side. So on this one you enter through your main balcony. Okay, so let us go and we see the main entrance over here. Yeah, again the same burglar doors. So here you enter through the living room, yet the other house you enter through a corridor. Yeah? So it has a very big window over here, and this is the living room. Then from the living room, this side it takes us to the bedrooms. Then this side, it's the kitchen. I love how big this kitchen is. The design, everything, it's the same as I showed you in the other house. Just the difference is, in this house, you enter through the living room, then the kitchen. So this is the kitchen, yeah. And it has a pantry over here. Although the other house is bigger compared to this one. Then the behind porch or veranda. You see, guys? Yes, this is the behind porch. Okay, so let us go see the bedrooms. I love the security of the doors. So over here, this is the master bedroom. Again, the storage as I showed you in the other rooms. A big window over there, then a second window over here, and the master washroom. It's the same as the other one. As you can see, guys, it's the same. Then over here, the kids' bedroom over here. Okay, let's go. The kids' bedroom. Okay, I think electricity is off. Then the kids' bedroom over here. Sorry about the darkness, but this is the kids' bedroom. The houses are really, really cute. Then over here, this is the general bathroom, which is big. Very, very, very big. This is the general bathroom, guys. So these houses, they go for 1 million. 1 million a month. So in case you're interested, and they are so near the main road. Okay, guys? In case you are interested in renting, yeah, you can leave a comment down below. Then we shall be communicating. Maybe we shall exchange numbers, and I will bring you here so that you could have a look at these houses. Let me just take you up. Just hope there is an open house. Okay, let me just give you a view of here. So this is the second floor. Yeah. And see the view, guys. That is the view. When you rent here at the second floor, this is the view you get. You see? That is the view. Okay, guys, so I think that's it. Yeah, that's it for today. I want to give you a last view of the house, of the whole building, so that you could see. So that is what we have. Okay, yeah, that is what we have over there. In case you are interested, please, please, please contact me. I'll bring you here. It's in Nakwero. Nakwero is on Gayaza Road, and the house is so near the main road. So I'm going to say goodbye for now and see you in my next video. I love you.